Hello guys, welcome to this course of ES6. In this video, I'll talk about a method called find, which has added to the array prototype object of JavaScript, which provide the capability of finding a value or multiple value within an array. First, I'll write the syntax of the find method. It is the syntax: the find accept two argument, a callback function and an optional value to be used for this value inside the callback function. The callback is a function to execute on each element of the array. It takes three arguments. We can see element, index, and an array. Element is the current element of the array, where index represents the current index of the current element, and the array represents the whole array that the find was called upon. And this arg represent object to use as this inside the callbacks. The find execute the callback function for each element in an array until the callback return a true value. Here I'll show an example of JavaScript find. The example will be used to search for the first even number in an array of number. So let numbers equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let val equals to numbers dot find, where e represent each element, e modulus 2 equals to 0. So until this condition is true, it will iterate over each element in an array. So when it iterates over to the second element of an array 2, the criteria is true, so it returns a value of 2. If we eliminate this, the value will be 4. Also, let's look into the another example. We have a list. Here we have a list of customer object with name and credit properties as follows. Here in this code, we'll do console.log customer.find for each element. Check if the credit property within the customer object is greater than 100. So we can see when it iterates over to the first item in an object array of object, the credit is equals to 100, that is not greater than 100, so it does not return this value. On the next, the credit is greater than 100, that is the given credit is 200, so it return the value of the second element of an array, that is this object was written. In this tutorial, we have learned how to use JavaScript Array's find method to search for the first occurrence of an element that satisfies the test condition. This much for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.